Frizz, flat curls, and uneven drying are common struggles for people with wavy or curly hair. Regular dryers often strip moisture, leaving hair dry, puffy, or undefined. A good hair diffuser changes everything by spreading airflow evenly and enhancing natural curl patterns while reducing heat damage. In this video, we explore the best hair diffusers designed to improve curl definition, reduce frizz, and boost volume. Each option focuses on healthier styling, faster drying, and long-lasting natural curls without ruining hair texture.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Wavytalk Professional Diffuser Temperature Technology. The Wavytalk Professional Diffuser Temperature Technology is designed for users who want controlled heat distribution and enhanced curl definition without causing dryness or frizz. It focuses on maintaining stable temperature output while spreading airflow evenly across hair sections, making it suitable for curly and wavy hair types that need structure and softness at the same time. This diffuser is ideal for home styling users who want salon-like results without relying on high heat damage or uneven drying patterns that disrupt natural curl formation. Key features. This diffuser includes temperature regulation technology that helps maintain consistent heat levels during drying sessions, reducing the risk of overheating and dryness. It features a wide bowl design that allows curls to sit naturally while airflow is dispersed evenly for better definition. The structure is lightweight and easy to attach to compatible dryers, improving usability during styling. It also includes airflow dispersion points that reduce direct heat impact on hair strands, helping maintain moisture balance while enhancing natural curl shape. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of this diffuser is improved curl definition with reduced frizz, helping users achieve soft and structured curls without stiffness. It supports faster drying compared to air drying while protecting hair health by avoiding concentrated heat exposure. It is ideal for individuals who struggle with puffiness or uneven curl patterns after drying. It also improves styling consistency, making curls look more uniform and controlled across different hair sections. Usability. This diffuser is very easy to attach and use, making it suitable for daily styling routines. It works well for medium to long curly hair and can be used with multiple heat settings depending on hair type. The bowl design allows easy sectioning of hair during drying without complicated handling. It is suitable for beginners and experienced users who want reliable curl enhancement without complex styling techniques. Durability. The Wavytalk diffuser is built with heat-resistant materials that maintain structure even under repeated use. The attachment system remains stable over time without loosening. The airflow components are designed to withstand consistent heat exposure, making it a reliable long-term styling tool for regular use.
In the second spot, we have Bellissima Italia Diffon DF15000 Hair Diffuser. The Bellissima Italia Diffon DF15000 Hair Diffuser is designed for users who want an all-in-one drying and diffusion system that combines airflow control with curl enhancement. It focuses on delivering gentle drying while maintaining natural curl structure, making it suitable for curly and wavy hair types that require softness and volume without frizz. This tool is ideal for users who prefer integrated styling systems rather than separate dryer and diffuser combinations. Key features. This diffuser includes a built-in airflow system that distributes air evenly through specially designed openings, helping maintain curl shape during drying. It features Ionic technology that reduces static and frizz while enhancing smoothness. The structure is compact and ergonomically designed for easy handling during styling. It also includes multiple heat and airflow settings, allowing users to adjust performance based on hair thickness and texture. Benefits and usage. The main benefit is reduced frizz and improved curl definition through controlled airflow distribution. It helps maintain natural hair moisture while speeding up drying time. It is ideal for users who want soft, defined curls without stiffness or heat damage. It also enhances volume at the roots while keeping ends structured, creating a balanced styling result suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. Usability. This diffuser is simple to use and designed for quick styling sessions. It works well for short to medium-length curly hair and provides consistent results without complex adjustments. The integrated design makes it easy to handle during drying, reducing the need for separate attachments or tools. It is suitable for users who want convenience and efficiency in their styling routine.
Coming in at number 3 is the REVLON Infrared Diffuser Technology Over Drying. The REVLON Infrared Diffuser Technology Over Drying is designed for users who want advanced heat protection combined with even drying performance. It focuses on reducing over-drying by using infrared heat technology that penetrates hair gently while maintaining moisture balance. This diffuser is suitable for individuals who struggle with dry, brittle, or frizz-prone hair and want a safer drying alternative with controlled heat exposure. Key features. This diffuser includes infrared heat technology that helps dry hair from within while reducing surface damage and moisture loss. It features a wide diffusion head that distributes airflow evenly across curls and waves. The structure is designed to minimize hot spots, preventing uneven drying and frizz formation. It also includes compatibility with multiple dryer models, making it versatile for different styling setups. Benefits in usage. The main benefit is healthier drying with reduced risk of over-drying and heat damage. It helps maintain natural shine while improving curl softness and definition. It is ideal for users with dry or chemically treated hair who need gentle heat control. It also improves styling consistency by ensuring even airflow distribution across all hair sections. Usability. This diffuser is easy to attach and use, making it suitable for regular styling routines. It works well for medium to thick curly hair types and provides steady drying performance. The design allows smooth handling during styling without requiring advanced technique. It is suitable for users who want protective styling with improved curl structure. Durability. The REVLON infrared diffuser is built with strong, heat-resistant materials designed for long-term use. The airflow system maintains stability over repeated sessions. It is designed to withstand consistent heat exposure while maintaining performance quality.
At number 5, we have the Diffuser Advanced Technology. The ceramic features advanced diffuser technology is designed for users who prioritize heat balance and hair protection during styling. It focuses on ceramic-infused airflow regulation that distributes heat evenly while reducing direct thermal stress on hair strands. This diffuser is ideal for individuals who want controlled drying performance that minimizes damage while enhancing natural curl patterns and maintaining moisture balance throughout the styling process. Key features. This diffuser uses ceramic-infused technology that helps regulate heat distribution for smoother and safer drying. The airflow system is designed to reduce hot spots and maintain consistent temperature output. It includes a wide bowl design that supports curl lifting and natural shaping. The attachment compatibility allows use with a variety of dryer models. The structure is engineered to maintain airflow stability while enhancing curl separation and definition during use. Benefits and usage. This diffuser improves curl softness and definition while reducing heat damage risk. It helps maintain natural moisture levels, making it suitable for dry and brittle hair types. Users can achieve smooth, controlled curls with reduced frizz and improved shine. It is effective for daily styling routines where consistent hair protection and styling efficiency are important. It also reduces overall drying time without compromising hair health. Usability. The ceramic diffuser is easy to attach and operate, making it suitable for users of all experience levels. Its lightweight structure allows comfortable handling during styling sessions. The wide bowl design enables faster drying by covering more hair sections at once. It performs well across various hair textures and lengths, offering stable and predictable results.
Landing at number 6 is the INFINITI Diffuser Concentrator Technology Settings. The INFINITI Diffuser Concentrator Technology Settings is designed for users who want a hybrid styling tool that combines diffusing and controlled airflow concentration. It focuses on offering adjustable airflow settings that allow users to switch between defined curl diffusion and focused drying control. This makes it suitable for versatile styling needs where flexibility and precision are important for achieving different hair textures and finishes. Key features. This diffuser includes adjustable airflow settings that allow users to control heat distribution intensity. The concentrator design enables targeted drying, while the diffuser mode enhances curl formation. The structure is designed for compatibility with multiple dryer models. The airflow system is engineered to balance heat output and maintain consistent styling performance. It includes a durable bowl design that supports curl lifting and controlled shaping during use. Benefits and usage. This system allows users to switch between volumized curls and controlled straightening styles depending on airflow settings. It helps reduce frizz while maintaining flexibility in styling options. It is suitable for users who want multi-purpose functionality in a single attachment. It supports both quick drying and detailed curl definition depending on user preference. Usability. The INFINITI Diffuser is user-friendly and easy to switch between modes. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during styling. The adjustable settings provide control over airflow intensity, making it suitable for different hair types and styling goals. It performs well for both casual and professional styling use.
Claiming the 7th spot, we have Bedhead Curls Check Diffuser. The Bedhead Curls Check Diffuser is designed for users who want enhanced curl control with defined shaping and frizz reduction. It focuses on delivering structured curl patterns while maintaining softness and bounce. This diffuser is ideal for individuals who want more control over curl direction and volume while avoiding heat damage and uneven drying during styling routines. Key features. This diffuser features a curl-enhancing bowl design that supports natural curl formation while drying. It includes airflow distribution technology that reduces frizz and improves curl definition. The attachment system is compatible with standard dryers. The structure is designed to lift hair gently while distributing heat evenly across all sections. It supports controlled drying for improved styling accuracy. Benefits and usage. This diffuser helps users achieve well-defined curls with reduced frizz and improved volume. It is suitable for wavy and curly hair types that need structured shaping. It enhances natural curl patterns while maintaining softness and preventing dryness. It is ideal for daily styling routines where consistent curl control is important. Usability. The Bedhead Diffuser is simple to attach and easy to use, making it suitable for beginners. Its lightweight design allows comfortable handling during use. The bowl shape supports efficient drying by covering larger sections of hair at once. It performs well in home styling environments with consistent results. Durability. Built with heat-resistant materials, this diffuser is designed for long-term use under regular styling conditions. The attachment system remains stable over time, ensuring reliable airflow performance and consistent curl definition results. Taking the 9th position is Curlsmith Defrizzion Diffuser Settings Infrared. The advanced technology ceramic features diffuser is designed for users who want balanced heat distribution combined with ceramic-infused protection for enhanced curl care. It focuses on reducing heat damage while improving curl definition, shine, and softness. This diffuser is ideal for individuals who want controlled styling with added protection for fragile or moisture-sensitive hair types while maintaining consistent curl formation during drying. Key features. This diffuser uses ceramic-infused technology to regulate heat evenly across the hair surface, reducing hot spots and preventing uneven drying. The airflow system is designed to enhance curl shaping while maintaining moisture balance. It features a wide bowl structure for improved curl cupping and lift. The attachment compatibility ensures use with most professional dryers. The design supports steady airflow for controlled and predictable styling results. Benefits and usage. This diffuser enhances curl smoothness and definition while minimizing frizz and dryness. It helps maintain natural moisture levels, making it ideal for dry or delicate hair types. Users can achieve soft, bouncy curls with improved shine and structure. It is suitable for daily styling routines where consistent curl protection and heat control are important for maintaining long-term hair health. Usability. The Curlsmith ceramic diffuser is easy to attach and operate, making it suitable for all skill levels. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during use. The bowl structure supports efficient drying by covering more hair in each section. It performs reliably across different curl patterns and hair densities, providing consistent styling results. And finally, we have MESCOMB Travel Dryer Diffuser Voltage. The MESCOMB Travel Dryer Diffuser Voltage is designed for users who need a compact and portable styling solution for travel and on-the-go hair care. It focuses on lightweight construction combined with voltage-adaptable performance for global usability. This diffuser is ideal for travelers who want consistent curl definition and frizz control without carrying bulky styling equipment, while maintaining reliable drying performance in different environments. Key features. This diffuser includes voltage-adaptable technology that allows compatibility with different electrical systems, making it suitable for international use. The compact design makes it highly portable and easy to pack. The airflow system is designed to maintain curl structure while reducing frizz during travel styling. The bowl design supports basic curl formation while keeping drying efficient. The attachment system is designed for quick setup with compatible travel dryers. Benefits and usage. This diffuser allows users to maintain curl routines while traveling without compromising hair health or styling quality. It helps reduce frizz and maintain curl definition in different climates and environments. It is ideal for quick styling sessions where convenience and portability are essential. It supports natural curl maintenance while offering consistent results even outside home environments. Usability. The MESCOMB travel diffuser is extremely easy to use and attach, making it suitable for frequent travelers. Its lightweight and compact structure ensures effortless handling and storage. It works well in hotel rooms, travel accommodations, and compact spaces. It provides reliable performance for quick styling needs while maintaining curl shape and softness.